Now we are going to draw the views of this figure. It's a T shape, upside down, something like this. More or less. First of all, we will draw the three directions from which we can see the object. And we must choose the good one. When I say the good one, which is the direction from which we can better see the figure. That's it. That will be the front view. Later we have from the top view and the side view. We draw a cross. Well, I'm drawing with an HB pencil. All right. So now we will draw the front view. Well, this is the left side view, and we draw it on the right. So the front view here. I draw this. I extend the lines softly. These lines, auxiliary lines, they help me to draw, but I will erase them later. I extend this, and from the top I can see a rectangle, a square, another rectangle, and another square. So from the top view, I must draw it here always. Front view, top view, under the front view. This, I draw a line here. This is this, well, more or less. This is this, this is this. All right, on the side view I can see a rectangle and another rectangle. I do this. This, and that's it. We got it. So we must erase this line, all the auxiliary lines. We must erase them. That's what we are looking for.